I will show you how to convert one file of ECDIS to another file of ECDIS. For example, from Puruno to GRC. For example, like this one, you see, it is text from Puruno. Then we will convert that one for the GRC root. So you need this converter, this ECDIS root manager. So I will show you how to download this one so that you can use. So it looks like this one, so just to maximize, then after that one, go to file, then open. So for example, we will convert that one, this root we exported, so this one, and open. So if you can see, this is the root we have. So to convert, go to file, then you see save as, then this one you can choose. You see, it's plenty here. You can convert your files from this kind of ECDIS. So for example, for us we will convert to RTM GRC ECDIS. So then save, then we will take a look. So if you can see here, it's already, you see, it's converted to RTM. Then you export now to your ECDIS GRC. So you have this waypoint already from your previous vessel or from your previous passage. This is the website c/soap.ru. So you can go here in the send message, if you can see this one. Then after that one, you can see all this software. You can download this one, but you can go up so that this ECDIS root manager you will download for your converter for ECDIS. So go to read more, then after that one, download this version 1.8.96. so if you already downloaded, you can extract to your PC and you can use this software to convert your ECDIS file. So that's all. Thank you.